Meghalaya Football Association kumshi banta ban play kalat kalanti nak banta ki rang ïalehkai ban pen ia la kasap kapong menta kasngi ka arpun riturik uyayong arja arpulai kala play pat ba ka jing penyakap lani grouping bat ki fixtures badai nak banta ka lympung ïalehkai football ka baheh tama ka jylla ka belatip kum ka Meghalaya State League ni ka MSL bat la pelat pat baru ya ka trophy ka surjing ruai bat ka website. Ya kadi kejing yang lang la penlong hak State Convention Center hak balai don lang da President ke MFA uba Larsing M Sawian u Assistant Secretary uba Diprin Tathyang ki Vice President ki dekhot bat ki noilam ki senjok ïalehkai football jong barok ki district ki Captain bat ki ïalehkai jong ki team bal yo ban yeshim benta hak ni ka lympung ka benta ka kenti hak ni ka kenti na kalyang ka tournament committee jong ka MSL kala phiah ya kadi ka lympung ïalehkai hak ki South Tylli ki jaka ni ki zone kata kum hak Shillong Jowai Makurwat batura bat ya ki team ki yo ban yeshim benda bero da penyakap pat yaki hakini gi jaka bala bu ban penlong ya ka jing yakop.
This is the time right now, say. Ole, ole, ole. This is the time right now, say. Ole, ole, ole. Like you. Like you. Young man. Young man. Young man. Young man. He lies awake. Hours fade, but his dream is so alive. Talks to God, walks in faith to achieve the star he aimed.
In the sense that we are here today to launch the MSL in its new avatar after having successfully conducted two leagues in the previous years. However, after the derailment of football activities in the state largely due to COVID, we are now coming back with a new vision and a more perhaps dynamic approach towards taking football to the next level. As some of my members have already mentioned, Meghalaya has tasted some success in the last 5 to 6 years. The state team, the Meghalaya state team, in fact, in the last 4 to 5 editions of the Santosh Trophy, has been consistently qualifying from the Northeast to the final rounds of the Santosh Trophy. So this year's performance is not a flash in the pan. Normally 2 teams from the Northeast qualify under the new structured system of the Santosh Trophy, and every year in the last 5 to 6 editions, Meghalaya has always been one of those 2 Northeastern teams that have qualified. Sometimes Mizoram has qualified with Meghalaya, sometimes Manipur has qualified, and in one occasion maybe Assam. So it has been showing that Meghalaya has consistently been performing, and undoubtedly this time we have done well by reaching the finals of the Santosh Trophy, which I think is a tribute to the football-loving people of Meghalaya. Football is a very, very popular sport here in Meghalaya, and is due to the love and support of the people of the state that we perhaps have reached where we have. But internally, deep inside, we also know that there is much, much more to be achieved and much, much more to be done. And it is with this objective and this vision that we launch the new MSL. And we believe that the future of Meghalaya football, to develop football to the next level, we need to not only look at a senior league. So from now on, going forward, maybe this is 1 year where we are playing with the state team or with the senior teams, but in the future years, the vision of the MSL is that the MSL will start from the age of 4, 5, 6, all the way to professional football players. So when we talk about MSL in the future, our objective is that we will have the baby leagues in each of the district associations of Meghalaya, where we will allow and give an opportunity to young budding kids to start playing football from the age of 4, 5 onwards up to 12 in a regular and a professional manner. I'm happy to see that the Shillong Sports Association has already taken some initiatives in this regard. They have been conducting some junior leagues beyond the under-15s, or rather below the under-15s. And I take this opportunity to inform all our members here that are present from the different district associations, that MFA is currently in talks with the government to prepare a master plan where the development of football will begin from the grassroots. Because without development of football in the grassroots, we cannot call it real development. We cannot teach our teachers education, or rather our students, how to learn ABC at the age of 13, 14, 15. They need to learn ABC at the age of 4 and 5 and 3. Similarly in football, we have to open up the platform for participation of children right from the age of 4, 5, 6. Meghalaya Football Association has pioneered the baby league in the country. In the year 2017, we launched the first baby league in India in association with the AIFF and the Tata Trust.